So many organizations today are blocked from shipping value with AI, either due to regulatory compliance or the fact that they can't send sensitive data to big AI. That's why we've created the Self-Hosted AI Starter Kit, a streamlined Docker setup for getting started faster building AI solutions like automations and AI assistants. It's perfect for proof of concept projects when you can't send your data to big AI. At its core, the stack includes three key components. There's a workflow automation platform so you can orchestrate your AI solutions. There's a large language model platform so you can download and manage all the different language models you'd like to use. And there's a vector store so that you can ingest your proprietary data and have your AI automations interact with them. So I've got a workflow setup that's going to ingest new CSVs that I drop in this folder. So let's give that a go and import the latest July invoices. That's being piped into my Quadrant vector store now. And we're using a local model. So again, none of this data is leaving my computer. Now that it's ingested, I can open up this other simple workflow I've got, which lets me ask questions on that vector store. So let's have a look and let's see how the Young, Beck and Andrews invoices is doing. So this is going to take a little bit longer because again, I'm running this locally on a rather modest computer, but you have the flexibility to choose your model. You don't have to send it to the cloud. You can run it on your own cloud, for example. Great, so we've got a response back from our workflow and we can see that it's given us some information on it. If I check the source of truth, we can see that's indeed correct. This is a simple chat example, but with these tools, you can apply this to far more complicated use cases. There's a whole lot of value you can create beyond AI agents when you have a sophisticated automation platform. So let's just look at one more example. We've got names. Sometimes people might be mentioning a phone number in here. This is all information that we cannot send to big AI, but we'd love to understand the sentiment of these. We can see we've got some of these being filtered to the positive branch, some to the neutral. And in this simple example, we're just piping these out somewhere. But again, with various actions for the different apps you might need to use or different protocols to consume internal API endpoints, the sky's the limit with what you can do once your AI step runs. These two simple examples really only scratch the surface of what you can do with this kit. So we've also created over 100 AI templates for different roles and departments to inspire you, help you get started faster, and start leveraging AI locally. So try it yourself. Run it in your cloud, the cloud, bare metal, wherever. Download the Self-Hosted AI Starter Kit today.